Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Microsoft Teams and you will click, not here. You will go to Microsoft Teams. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.